Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You can find the SNR drive belt used in the video via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition, set the parking brake, pull the hood release handle and open the hood. For safety reasons, we recommend disconnecting the battery. To do this, check out our video on how to replace the Peugeot 207 1.4 16-valve battery. Loosen the stud bolts on the passenger side wheel. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on axle stands. We strongly recommend watching the tutorial safely jacking up your vehicle before carrying out this step. In order to change the drive belt on your vehicle, you're going to have to remove the passenger side wheel to have complete access. Don't forget to put the wheels under the vehicle. You then need to remove the front mudguard to access the drive belt. To do this, unscrew the screw using a Torx T25 screwdriver. Remove the securing clips from the mudguard using a fork tool. You can now take off the mudguard. You can now see the drive belt. The drive belt turns the alternator which charges the battery. Yet it also operates the power steering pump, the air conditioning compressor, and sometimes the water pump. Using a 15mm spanner, loosen the drive belt by lifting the tensioner pulley. The tensioner pulley has locking holes which allow locking pin to be inserted after the pulley has been loosened so that the position of the pulley can be secured. Once the pulley has been loosened and secured, you can remove the drive belt. When replacing the drive belt, you also have to replace the tensioner pulley at the same time. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm Allen socket, unscrew the lower retaining screw of the tensioner pulley. Then, using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the upper retaining screw of the tensioner pulley. Then, remove the tensioner pulley.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You can find the SNR drive belt used in the video via the link in the description. Take the new tensioner pulley. Put the new pulley in place. Screw the two bolts back in with a socket wrench. Finish tightening the bolts using the torque wrench. Take the new drive belt. Pay careful attention to which direction the belt should be fitted. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the drive belt around the different components, noting the layout from the initial disassembly. To refit the belt correctly, lift the tensioner pulley and remove the locking pin. Then, release the tensioner pulley to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned on all the pulleys. Put the mudguard back in place. Screw the screw back in. Replace the holding clips. Now you will be able to put the wheel back on your vehicle and put it back on the ground. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.